Hey, what's up beauties? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sanchayata and today's video is going to be a review video. Today I will be reviewing some products which I have purchased recently and have been using for a long time. So I can share my honest thoughts on this. So let's get started. Pack Cosmetic Moisture Lotion. It's a face moisturizer. It retails for 795 rupees and you will get 150 ml of product. Packaging is really good. It has this lock system so that there will not be any mess. Coming on to the product, I recommend this one 100%. It's a very good moisturizer. It keeps your skin moisturized for a long time. The texture is very good. You will need a small pump and that would be enough for the entire face. Even it works really well as a primer under the foundation. You will have a very dewy finish, but only thing you have to set the foundation with setting powder or there will be creasing. I have dry skin. For winter it's a must have, but I use this on summer days also because I just love the texture. You can see that my bottle is totally empty. I am surely gonna buy a new one. Next I have a makeup sponge from a brand called The Plum. I bought this from their website for rupees 596 and with tax and shipping fee it was 616 rupees. They have different sizes, colors and shapes for different purposes. I have this purple one which has this pointed tip. This sponge is cruelty free and latex free. This is what it looks like when it is dry and wet. And this is the size difference between the original Beauty Blender and the Plum one. The Plum one is much bigger than the OG Beauty Blender. Earlier I used to use only the OG Beauty Blender, but now I use this one for blending the foundation and concealer. It's very soft and squishy. Plum claims that their sponge doesn't soak up products because it is made of microfiber, and I found this quite true as I do not need much liquid product. I definitely recommend this product. It's totally worth the price. Okay, next I have a face toner from VLCC. I bought this from Nykaa at rupees 170 and you will get 100 ml of product. The liquid is green and it has a mild pudina smell. I have been using this for a long time. This is my second bottle. It's a very good toner. My face feels healed and fresh. I use this every day, twice after my face wash. The only thing you might not like is that it has a burning sensation. Like after application you will get a burning sensation for around 15 to 30 seconds. For me it's okay because it really keeps my pores tight. So it's gonna be in my skincare goodies until I find another good one. Next one is also from Plum, but I'm not sure if these two are from the same brand. Anyway, this is also a face moisturizer. I bought this at rupees 475 and it contains 50 ml of product. It has this plastic cap and the pump system. The texture is very thick. I always took 2 pumps for my entire face and it feels kind of dry while applying the cream. It doesn't melt into the skin easily. You have to massage a few times to get the product into your skin, but still I did not feel very moisturized. It claims a lot, but I did not experience any of them, so it's not a good purchase for me. Next I'll talk about a foundation stick. This is Plunge Foundation Stick Natural Cover HD Concealer from O3 Plus. I got it at rupees 699 for 7 grams of product. I got the shade Truffle Flush. It's a chocolate brown shade with a warm undertone for contouring my face. I really like this one. It's very creamy and smooth and suits my contour shade. It blends into my skin very easily and the finish is very dewy and very natural. I will be buying my foundation shade of this because the finish is really good. So next I have a false eyelash from Roof for Beauty. I got this at rupees 6.99 from their own website, and the style is called Ash, and it's very dramatic. It has a thick lash band, so it easily gets stuck to my eyelids. It doesn't feel heavy or uncomfortable, and also I like its packaging more than those paper boxes. Give it a try, you may love this one. Now I will be talking about some lip products that I have recently purchased. Okay, first I have Color Bar Matte Me As I Am Lip Color. I got this at rupees 8.50 and it has 2.8 grams of product, and the shade is called Escapade 011. It comes in this cute magnetic box, and you will get a sharpener also because it's a crayon lipstick. On their website the color looks like this, which is kind of muted orange, but in reality it is a purely bright orange, which disappoints me because I love the color shown in the picture. Anyway, coming on to the product, it's very pigmented and goes very smoothly. It doesn't dry down to a completely matte finish. There will be a tiny little sheen on your lips, and that's why it doesn't transfer proof also, but it's comfortable on your lips. Next is a bullet lipstick from My Glam. It is called Posh HD lipstick. It retails for 5.99 rupees and contains 4 grams of product, and the shade is called Muted Brown. It has this printed paper coated packaging, which is okay considering the price. Now about the product, the quality is good, the pigmentation, color, texture all are good, but they have marketed this as matte lipstick, which is totally wrong. This is straight up a satin lipstick. You will get a decent amount of shine on your lips, which is kind of disappointing. Next one is also from My Glam. This is from their liquid lipstick collection. It's called Light Liquid Lipstick. They have this twin set in small quantities, which I really appreciate because those who like to try a lot of lipsticks, it is a good value for money. Like me, I have so many lipsticks which I will never finish off by myself. Anyway, the set is called Overachiever. One is a brick red and other one is a deep pinky red. The duo retails for 5.45 and contains 4 ml of product. Packaging is very average. Now coming on to the quality, the texture is little bit thick and it doesn't go smooth on my lips. It dries quite fast, so you will have to apply the lipstick quickly. It has this small tiny little doe foot applicator. They are not patchy, but they are a bit drying. If you have very dry lips, then you may not like these lipsticks. Next is from Lakme. This is Lakme Absolute Matte Revolution Lip Color. It retails for rupees 800, but I got this at a good discounted price. I have 2 shades, one is Mauve Mania and the other one is Resin Caramel, and the quantity you get is 3.5 gram. I love both shades, especially Resin Caramel is my new favorite. I love orangey shades, and this one is kind of muted burnt orange. I am really glad that Lakme has made this shade. In Indian market, it is really hard to get such unique shades. Okay, about the quality, I love these lipsticks. It's so creamy, smooth and pigmented, and also a truly matte lipstick at the same time. It's not drying at all. They have a wide range of colors. Go check this out, you will not regret. Coming on to the next one, this is Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick. Retails for 5.49 rupees and contains 4.5 ml of product. I have 2 shades, one is Dawn Fawn and the other one is Woodbine Nude. Woodbine Nude is way more comfortable than Dawn Fawn and the color is very pretty. In general, sugar liquid lipsticks are little drying, but also it varies color to color. Like I did not have any issues with Woodbine Nude. And this has this flat shaped applicator, which is really nice. Next is about a liquid lipstick. This one is Purple Ultra HD Matte Liquid Lipstick. These are their mini version and it cost 199 rupees and it has 1.6 grams of product. The shades I bought are my first prank call and my first B. My first prank call is a deep mauve and my first B is deep cranberry red. Quality wise, these are quite good. Pigmentation, texture, all are good. These can be applied smoothly also. The only thing I don't like is the colors. Both of them are different from the picture shown on their website. They are much deeper in reality. Next I have again a bullet lipstick. This is NYB Argan Oil Infused Matte Lipstick. I bought this from purple.com for 175 rupees and it contains 4.5 grams of product. This is the cheapest lipstick in my collection. I really like this golden lipstick tube. It looks very pretty. My shade is a Rehearsal Look 19. In their website it looks like an orangey shade, but in reality it is a pink. But anyway, I really like the color. It's a medium tone pinky nude, suits perfectly to my skin. Definitely an everyday color or office color. I am quite happy that I got this shade because I don't have any pinky nude. Quality is also good. Pigmentation, texture, all are good. It's not super smooth, but that's totally fine because it's just 175, which you can't beat. So I am definitely gonna grab more shades. Last but not the least, a bullet lipstick from Faces Canada. These are Wetless Matte Finish Lipstick. I got the shades Coral Magic and Natural Earth at rupees 299 and it contains 4 grams of product. First of all, I love the packaging. It's like MAC. Not that luxurious, but it's okay. It's kinda cute. Coral Orange is a typical coral red and Natural Earth is burnt red. For my skin tone it is a bit deep nude, but it can be a great brown nude for deeper skin tone girls. Coming on to the quality, these are really good lipsticks. These are pigmented well. On initial application you will get some shine, but after some time it will dry down to a matte finish. Only one issue I have faced is that it doesn't go very smoothly on your lips. Like you have to press the lipstick a little bit hard on your lips. But anyway, still I like this because of its matte finish. So yeah guys, that's all I had to say in today's video. Please note that I have rated the quality of these products on the basis of their price. So if this video is helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel because many more review videos are coming up. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I post my makeup looks and tutorials over there, and you can also check out my older videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.